So it's Thanksgiving and you're carving the turkey. Well, don't worry, I got you. Start with the dark meat first. Make an incision to separate the meat from the breast and then pull down on the leg until it starts to come apart at the joint. Use your knife to get up in there and cut through the meat and tendons until it totally comes off, and then repeat that process on the other side. Next, you want to separate the thigh from the drumstick. So gently pull it apart at the joint and then use your knife to cut it in half, and then do that again with the other leg. Now it's time to remove the wings. I like to leave the little drumette part attached and deal with it after I slice up the breast, but if you'd rather do it now, go ahead. For the white meat, glide your knife down the breastbone to remove the entire breast in one large piece, and try to get off as much meat as you can, and then remove the other side the exact same way. Now you can gently twist off those drumettes right at the joint and use your knife to remove them completely. Next, we're going to slice up the breast meat by going against the grain using long, careful slices to make nice thin pieces. You can leave the skin on so everybody gets a little bit, or you can remove the skin and carve it without, which is a little easier and the skin stays crispier that way. Remove any more meat that's left on the bird and then transfer it all to a large serving platter, and then bring it to the table while it's nice and hot. And oh yeah, don't forget to save the bones for soup.